guys, welcome to day 4 of our plastic free challenge. And today what I've chosen is for myself is using cosmetic pencils, whether it be for the lips, the eyebrow or the eyes. So I use cosmetic pencils on a daily basis. I use an eyebrow pencil and I use a pencil around my eyes. So I used to sell my pencils in a twist up pencil. But of course it's plastic, and every time you finish it, there's no way of refilling it, and it has to go into a dump. So I now sell, and I only use pencils that are in a wooden backing, so a wooden casing. So this is a 100% natural product into a wooden pencil. So that is my choice for today. So look into that. If you're using twist up pencils or plastic pencils, see if you can find an alternative if you use pencils on a regular basis. So that's for lip pencils, eyebrow pencils, and eye pencils.